Hi everyone, Randy here. Um, as I said, I was going to work on some sculpting. This will be my first time sculpting, and it's basically a big, tall order on this one. I am going to actually be um, making an animatronic, basically, of a Sasquatch or Bigfoot. This is the guy that I would like to replicate. Um, So basically, we're going to start off with the kind of clay that I'm using. Um, I'm not going to use water-based clay because water-based clay tends to dry up and you have to cover it, spray it, and who knows how long it's going to take me to sculpt this. So I wanted something that I could just leave and not worry about. Um, One of the good things is the oil-based clay, and um, basically it's monster clay. Monstermakers.com is where I got it from. So, and this is the soft version of it. Um, I only have 20 pounds. I'm hoping it'll be enough, but we will see. And then I also have about an armature. I believe his name is Ed. But also from monstermakers.com. This armature actually, they say to fill it with gypsum or gypsum cement, or it's uh, hydrocal, white hydrocal, and to make it last longer for using, for other projects too. It's basically a disposable armature, but if you fill it um, with the cement, then it will last longer for you. So, uh, Alright, so I got more clay, another 100, or yeah, another 20 pounds actually. So I'm hoping this will be enough for this, the head at least. So, this is what I have so far. It's just a rough sculpt, that's what I'm working at. And details will be afterwards. I'm finding this clay is actually really nice to work with, even after the fact. Um, as far as like sculpting is not going to be hard. Um, because it's hard to damage it at all, really. If you like touch it, I mean, nothing really happens. You see fingerprints, but those could be smoothed out. But we're gonna get finishing up the rough sculpt, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm back with 2 cases of clay. So I'm hoping this is going to be it. So I'm going to get started. Alright, so as you can see, I'm starting to get the basic shape of the Bigfoot. I still have some more on the back to fill out. And after I finally get the rough sculpt done, I can actually start working on his face so I can figure out where to put the eyeballs at. So I'm going to continue trying to fill this all out in the back and make sure I've got the right structure for him to start as far as the front of the face. So got a divot right here. Actually, I'll make a bit. Also, too, I want to make sure everything is smooth when I'm done. It's not going to be all like you can see like the edges where I added new clay. I'm going to smooth that out eventually too. I'm just trying to get the basic shape and then smooth it out afterwards. So I will continue. Alright, so basically there's the past couple of days I wasn't able to get the camera on. A friend was over using my TV for my monitor to do the camera. So I've been actually doing the rough sculpt at the front of the face. I did take some pictures. I'll add them on after this video. After I complete this video, you'll see them at the end. But basically, what I have is this. It's pretty much the rough sculpt. There's still a lot of things that I need to work on. I know he's probably a little bit big in, the sides, a little bit more in the chin. I got to sculpt down a little bit in the eyes and finish up the nose. Yeah, and then work on the eyes so he has actually eyelids and stuff. And I have the mouth closed as far as because we're gonna have the jaw moving up and down, and then also the lips, both bottom and top lips, will be moving with servos inside the head. So they'll move up and down, and then jaw move down, and he'll show fangs. And I'm thinking he's going to have about 13 servos controlling his facial expressions. We'll have 2 for the eyebrows, 1 in the middle. We'll have the eyes, eyelids. I know for sure for the mouth, and then jaw for opening. Still debating on what else to have move on him. But yeah, so this is going to end this video, and I'm going to continue working on the second one, which will be basically doing the detail sculpting on him, getting him ready to mold basically. So this is what I have so far. I don't think he's too bad yet as far as for a rough sculpt. I mean, he kind of looks cartoony, but the eyes aren't, filled in or anything, which doesn't help. But we'll get there. All right. Until next time.